First, it has to be remembered that art had no name for a long time. When looking back through the lens of 21st century eyes, we can only draw our conclusions from empirical evidence, from what we know, and yes, sometimes well-informed guesses when looking at artifacts of differing cultures from the very distant past. A lot has yet to possibly be discovered. A lot has, by way of recent Western history, already been discovered, ignored or sidelined, and is only now being recognised for its full worth. We do know though, for example, the cave paintings from Lascaux to Altamira and even South Africa's recent discoveries all have one thing in common: a human need to make that mark. That mark intended to communicate something, and that mark to last, a permanence of sorts. That mark making in essence is no different than any mark making from any period in time. A straight line is a straight line, a circle a circle. The type of mark, either with some intended meaning or how it is experienced, may be different in a different set of circumstances.